ये मैटर जो मैं आपको बोलने जा रहा हूँ, आप इस मैटर को हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर पे टाइप करके आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स को जान सकते हैं और अपने शॉर्टहैंड को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है।
Get ready, start. The respondent number 2 Maharaj Singh gave a statement in writing to the station house officer, Dumrao police station, alleging that Rajkumar had sold off property belonging to 5 persons of the informant's family, including the informant himself. Stop. It was alleged that the informant and his family members had earlier given a power of attorney to Rajkumar in respect of and as owner of property bearing Khasra number 4959, 427, 474. Stop. This is situated in village Rampur, district Dehradun. Stop. It was stated that the informant Maharaj Singh and his brother executed a power of attorney on 12/4/1994 for management and maintenance of their property. Stop. It was provided therein that the power of attorney holder shall pursue litigation filed plaint after obtaining signature of the land owners / principals of the power of attorney. Stop. It was alleged that some portion of the property of the informant and others was sold to the present appellant, and on such knowledge the informant sent a legal notice to the power of attorney holder directing him to give the details of the sale made in conspiracy with the appellant, and a notice was also given to revoke the power of attorney, but the agent did not give any information to the information and others who had executed the power of attorney. Stop. In this backdrop, and as such the criminal case was instituted. Stop. It was alleged that criminal acts were committed by the accused, including the appellant, by misusing the power of attorney and alleging that they had misappropriated the property, did not rendition the accounts, and that the sale deed was fraudulent, as it was without obtaining the signatures of the landowners. Stop. Upon investigation, the police had submitted final report finding a case under section 409, 467, 468 and 420 IPC, and the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Buxar thereupon took cognizance of the offences. Stop. Para. During the pendency of criminal miscellaneous number 42776 of 2013 on the filed of the High Court, originally filed for quashing the FIR, the appellant filed interlocutory application number 1261 of 2017 seeking amendment of the prayer to include quashing of the order dated 18/11/2014 mentioned above. Stop. Para. Learned senior counsel for the appellant submitted that the appellant is merely the vendee of a portion of the land which was included in the power of attorney. Stop. He contended that the sale deed dated 24/8/2000 was on the basis of the power of attorney given to Man Singh. Stop. The appellant was the vendee of a piece of land covered under the power of attorney, and for such sale valuable consideration had also been paid. Stop. In this view, it was submitted the appellant could not be held liable for any misdeed, much less any criminal act. Stop. Para. Learned senior counsel submitted that the revisional court was right that cognizance, as far as the appellant is concerned, was totally illegal, as no offense was made out against the appellant. Stop. It was further contended that even on the jurisdictional issue, the sale deed question was executed as Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and the land is also situated in Dehradun. Stop. कुछ बातें ध्यान रखने वाली हैं। अगर रिस्पोंडेंट अकेले आएगा, उसके साथ कोई नंबर नहीं आएगा, तो रिस्पोंडेंट स्मॉल में लिखेंगे। अगर आता है रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 1, रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 2, तो रिस्पोंडेंट कैपिटल होगा, नंबर भी कैपिटल होगा। ठीक, अगर इसी तरह से पेटिशनर नंबर 1, पेटिशनर नंबर 2, तो पेटिशनर कैपिटल और नंबर भी कैपिटल होगा।